In this video, I'm going to show you how to transform images in Pixlr Express step by step so you can resize, rotate, flip, and duplicate your image quickly and easily. This is a really useful workflow if you want to make simple edits without needing a complicated editor. And once you learn it, you'll be able to move much faster whenever you work on photos or graphics. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple editing guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Pixlr Express and click Open Image. From here, upload the photo you want to edit. Once your image is loaded, look at the left side of the screen and click Arrange. This is the arrow icon in the left panel, and it opens up the tools you need for image positioning and transformation. If the image is locked, click Unlock first so you can edit it properly. After that, stay inside the same Arrange panel and click Transform. This expands the transform options and gives you access to the main editing controls. Now, you can start adjusting your image. If you want to change the size, you can either type new values into the W and H pixel fields or drag the corner handles on the canvas to resize it manually. If you want to rotate the image, use the rotate slider and move it left or right until the image is angled the way you want. If you need to mirror the image, click the flip horizontal icon or the flip vertical icon, depending on the direction you want. And if you want to make a copy of the image quickly, click the duplicate button right inside the same Arrange panel. That's helpful when you want to preserve the original while experimenting with different edits. As you can see, Pixlr Express makes transforming images pretty simple once you know where everything is located. Open the image, go to Arrange, unlock it if needed, expand transform, and then use the size, rotate, flip, and duplicate tools to make your changes. If you found this walkthrough useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.